Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to implement a simple magnifier in your Android app in Android Studio Java. What I have made so far, I have made two text view having first hello world text and the second one having hello world text 2, and we have an image view which I have found on Unsplash. Credit to the author of this image. In my image empty you can see. Firstly, we'll make an image view when we click on it, it will make our magnifier appear. Image view, let's give it a width of 50 dp and a height of 50 dp, 5 dp, and I have imported from Auto itself this icon. Mm, I don't know why I have it's lagging, but yes. And let's give it an ID of let's put zoom. Then we have to make a view. Why do we need a view? This view will make the baseline where our magnifier can go, the borderline of our magnifier. Let's create view. Here I want to make the magnifier go all around the screen, just how it match point right, so that it occupies, so that the boundary of the view occupies the whole entire screen. And let's give an ID of boundary. Seem more nice. Boundary ID. Now let's oh, yes. And also what the thing. Let's create a mag let's declare a magnifier which we can use everywhere then if we need. Let's call this view is equal to find view by ID dot ID dot boundary. Good. Now we will have to we have to create a magnifier. From this we call it magnifier. Now let's create magnifier is equal to let me yes new sorry just confirming something. Magnifier is magnifier with both of the views that we just get, both of the view, and also we add some parameter. We use a builder where we can be a more custom magnifier. We set it initial zoom to, let's say, 2.3 f floor number, and we set its elevation to 10.0 floor number. We'll give it some corner radius of, let's say, 20 floor number. We set its size to, I don't know, 100 width, 100 height, and we will build it, of course. We need to build it. And also we had to surround it because of the version, etc. Mm, Now let's get the ID to activate our magnifier. Call it zoom, image, image view. Zoom is equal to new, no, not new, we are sorry, fine. Should that ID dot zoom. Now let's do an on touch. So that let's do an untouch, that is when the user is holding this this magnifier will still appear, and when the user reads it, it will go away. Let's add a untouch at it. Zoom that set untouch is on there. Let's do it new. It should give me new. Yes, how I see. That will return true for now. Don't worry about it. Let's just return true for now. And let's have a switch case where we have different events of the user. We have event let's get action modes. Now we have focus. Let me define the focus. First we have motion event action down. Let's just define them for now. Let don't do anything. We have case motion event action move. Action move. We have another case motion event let me check action cancel. Yes, it's a cancel. And we have another case motion. Oops, double mistake. Dot. So we action up. Yes, action up. This will be our focus. Let me go through one of them at a time. The first one, action down. The first one is action down case will occur when the user first touches the screen and was first touches the screen, or no, my bad, when the user touches the button that is a magnifier. The second case will be when the user moves the magnifier around and is moving the magnifier around. That is, as long as the user don't, as long as you is moving, the magnifier will stay. And the third case involves once user can say the action, and the third and the no, the third case is when the user can say action, and the fourth case is when the user stop touching the screen. That is, that person lifts his finger up. Now, like we can see, the first case and second case need to be merged together. That is, when the user touches the magnifier and move it, it need to stay on and performs the action. And I can say an action up. That is, when the user leave lifts his finger or her finger and cancel it, these two should be activated. So for the first case, we won't do anything. We'll just say do the next case. And in the second case, we have to break because we can't go there because in which case you might know it will keep executing. Move for the move. What will we do for the move? Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. My bad. I click on another ID by mistake. Can see. We have to get break this. Okay. We have to get final the position. We have to get the position. This piece of code or just I will upload this code. We have to index x and y coordinate. Get that. We need to get location of the view here, view dot get location. We need to get location on screen. We get the view position. We get we give a button, then we get the view position. After getting this position, we'll have to get the magnifier. We have to choose the event that get the row X. Sorry, event dot get row. No. Sorry, my bad. We need to subtract the view position. Got first index for the X, then for the Y, I put it here. Event dot get row Y. Same principle. The view position. Figure index. Yeah, then we break it. Seeing we have an error here. Yes, we had to surround, yeah, for that because of version. See, we get an error because, yes, we have an error. Let me check this error. Why we have an error here? Mm, yes. I make a mistake. I made a mistake. I should have. Yes, now it's good. I forgot to put it inside bracket of switcher. And now let's get on for the cancel olive up. So we'll have to dismiss. We'll have to cancel. We'll have to remove the magnifier. To remove the magnifier, we will just well, so for the cancel, we say let's say do next case same. Then put action up. Let's include a break so that we don't forget to redo magnifier the dismiss, which we dismiss the magnifier. Same version, we have to add this because of the version number. I think we are good to go. Let test the app. Oh, we take some time to load. Let me just pause. Yes, I'm back. I did some modification because Magnifier was too small. I made it to 600 and I also increased the corner radius. That's the only changes I made. So let me show you how it becomes. So well, like I say, when you touches the phone, the mic will activate, and as long as that user doesn't lift his or her finger, it will keep on. Now let's test it. Like you can see, all text are being increased and also an image. That's all for this video. If you want to add a custom magnifier to your app, thanks everyone.